Welcome to Everwell Parts. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic for all mini split system owners: how to prevent coil leaks to prolong the lifespan of your mini split system. Everwell and Daisuke mini split systems are a fantastic way to heat and cool your home efficiently. But like any HVAC system, they require regular maintenance to function properly. One common issue is coil leaks, which can lead to reduced efficiency and costly repairs. Let's dive into what causes these leaks and how you can prevent them. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to prevent coil leaks. Segment 2. Coil leaks can occur due to several reasons. Corrosion. Over time, the coils can corrode due to exposure to moisture and chemicals, even due to your proximity to the ocean. Poor installation. Improper handling and installation can put stress on the coils, leading to leaks. Lack of maintenance. Dirt and debris can accumulate on the coils, causing them to deteriorate faster and lead to your equipment to operate less efficiently. Segment 3. Check for corrosion. Periodically inspect the coils for signs of corrosion. If you notice any rust or corrosion, it is important to address it immediately to your trusted HVAC technician. Proper installation. Ensure your mini split system is installed by a certified professional. Proper installation is crucial to avoid unnecessary stress on the coils. Regular maintenance and cleaning. Schedule regular maintenance with a professional HVAC technician and, occasionally, request a coil cleaning. You can expect your technician to perform a thorough cleanse with an alkaline solution to keep your system in top shape. While regular maintenance can go a long way in preventing coil leaks, sometimes you might still encounter issues that require professional expertise. Here's why it's crucial to call a licensed HVAC technician to detect and treat coil leaks. Expert diagnosis. Licensed HVAC technicians have the training, experience, and the tools to accurately diagnose the problem. They can identify the exact location and cause of the leak, something that can be challenging for homeowners to do on their own. Proper repairs. Coil leaks often require specialized equipment and techniques to repair. A professional can ensure that the repair is done correctly and safely, preventing further damage to your system. Preventative measures. Technicians can also offer valuable advice on additional steps you can take to prevent future leaks, tailored specifically to your system and your home environment. Safety. Handling refrigerants and other components of a mini split system can be hazardous if not done properly. Professionals have the necessary certifications to handle these materials safely. Warranty protection. Our mini split systems have a limited warranty that requires professional maintenance to remain valid. Regular checkups and repairs by a licensed technician can help you stay compliant with our warranty terms. Remember, maintaining your mini split system is not just about regular cleaning. It's about ensuring that any potential issues are professionally and timely addressed to maintain optimal operations of your unit. And if you're an HVAC technician watching or needing some help, contact your customer service and technical support department via email or call us during our operating hours. We hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.